Oh, brilliant. Go on.
Keep it here. No, we are happy if you're gonna pour him pindi.
We can do it. And just walk up to you. Okay, cool. Ready?
Brother, genuine bowler, they don't want to bowl him in Pindi Stadium. No, I will go to, if I go to Australian conditions, then I will put my meaty.
Yeah.
If I come here to Asians, then I put meaty there.
Ah, okay.
So my whole bed is changed, because of the balls coming out that way.
Yeah.
And I'm always playing with different weights because T20 as opener, in the ODI is 4th positions, and Test 6th position. So if you look my weights, 2.6, 2.7 to 2.30, all of different weights.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's the 213?
Because of the death overs in Asians, because I have no power, small body, so I will, I want some more meat in the bottom. So this is very nice, like that.
Yeah. We like a lot of the guys use ECS beds, and the shoulders are like, the
More,
ECS strap, and then they're thinner, and then they, like the duck bill like that. But the shoulders, like in New Zealand, like they're sort of
You are smaller,
Perfect.
Perfect,
If someone miscues a pull shot,
perfect,
shoulders
yeah.
just like,
And whenever we come to there, still in Aussie, so we also put meat there. Me and Baba as well, we'll tell him that and they give us a new best. Like if someone is in that English. Oh, this is Australian?
yeah. Oh, are you English?
Yeah, we are English.
Oh, I need to get one of yours. I'll swap you.
Yeah, that's fine.
I
I will.
I use that English one as well. It's creased like a lot harder.
Yes.
Than these, but these are much softer. Right?
Yeah.
Like I noticed.
Perfect. I will give.
No, I'll swap you.
Okay, perfect.